In this video, I will be reviewing the Capital One Platinum credit card, covering its key features, risks, and considerations. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether this card is a good choice for you. The Capital One Platinum credit card is an entry-level card designed for people looking to build or improve their credit. One of its best features is the $0 annual fee, making it a budget-friendly option. The card also includes tools like CreditWise, a free credit monitoring service, and offers automatic consideration for a credit limit increase after 6 months of on-time payments. This can help improve your credit utilization and score over time. Unlike secured credit cards, this one doesn't require a security deposit, making it a cost-effective choice for those with fair credit. Another benefit is that it doesn't have a penalty APR, so if you're late on a payment, the standard rate applies instead of a higher one. However, there are some downsides. The high variable APR of 29.99% can be costly if you carry a balance, so paying off your charges in full each month is important. Additionally, the card does not offer rewards, which might be disappointing compared to other cards that provide cashback or points. The initial credit limit is often low, typically starting around $300, limiting your spending power until you qualify for an increase. Overall, the Capital One Platinum credit card is a solid option for credit building, especially if you want no annual fees and don't mind the lack of rewards. As always, consider speaking with an expert before making any financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.